Hello everyone. In this video, we'll discuss how to generate format file for various reports. We'll create one format file for schematic components report and we will create one format file for panel components. To start with, first let us open one drawing in this new project. Now, to set the format file for a particular report, you need to make sure that you are in the reports tab, and then in the miscellaneous panel you go to this report format setup tool and choose this. On choosing this tool, the report format file setup unnamed dialog box is displayed. Number of options are there in this dialog box. You can see here in the report name area, two separate lists are there. In the first list, schematic report names are listed, and in the second list, panel report names are listed. You need to select one of the report to set the format for that type of report. Next, you can see the format file area is there. In this area, three buttons are there where you can open an existing saved format file. The next button is save format file button. This button is used to save the format file for a particular report after you specify the options for that format in this dialog box. Next, the save as format file button is there. This button is used to save the settings of format file as a new format file. Now if I choose this open format file button, you can see this report format settings file selection report type equal to BOM dialog box is displayed. Here one format for the bill of material report is already saved, so that is shown here. So you can select that one and then you can choose the OK button to open that format file. Now here, as the bill of material report is selected in the schematic report area, this bill of material area is displayed. If I select the component category in this schematic report area, you can see the report format file setup dialog box is modified and here component area is displayed. Now let us first create one format file for the schematic components of the project. So I have already selected the component category in the report name area. Now we will specify other options to set the format file for this kind of report. Now first I need to specify the category of the drawings to be used for this report. In this category drop down list, I can specify any of the desired option from this drop down list. Right now I will just retain this schematic category selected. Now in the options area, I can specify whether I want to include cable markers in the schematic components report, if I want to include connectors also. Depending on the requirement, you can select the checkboxes. I will select this checkbox also, which will include children for all the above components. Next, this installation codes to extract and location codes to extract area is there, where you can specify components for which installation and location codes to be included in this component report. So I can retain this all radio buttons selected in both these areas. Now here some buttons are there. If you want to save this component report to file, you can choose the save report to file button and you can specify which kind of file format you want for that report. Next, if you want to change the report fields, you can choose that change report fields button, and now you can specify columns for that report. Now I want to include file name option and I will move this file name column at the bottom so that it will be the last column. If you want to remove any of the column, then you can select this and then choose remove. If you want to change the justification or name of any of the columns, you can use this area. So I have included the file name column. Now if I want to include some other information as a column, then I can put that. Suppose I want to include description 1 also as one of the column in this component report. Now I will move this up over here, and now I will choose the OK button in this data fields to report dialog box. Now you can use this sort fields button to sort the fields as per your requirement. This dialog box is displayed, and here you can specify the sorting criteria for all these 4 sort drop down lists. I'll choose cancel over here. Now I need to specify whether I want to save report created with this format in the drawing, or if I want to save this particular report to a file. Suppose I choose this save report to file button. Now the save report to file dialog box is displayed, and here I can specify the file format for this particular type of report to be saved. Now I will select this Excel spreadsheet format checkbox. I can select this checkbox also so that project values will be included in the report. Also, I can select this first section only checkbox. Once I select this first section only checkbox, this project values will be included for the first section only. Next, you can see this file name edit box is there. You can specify the location for the file to be saved in this edit box, or you can choose the browse button over here and you can go to the location where you want to save this report file. Now I will go to this default project folder so that all files will be in one folder. I will name this file as schematic components underscore new project to easily identify this file, and you can see the extension for this file is .xls. Now I will choose the save button over here, and I will choose OK in this save report to file dialog box also. Now whenever you use this format for this component report, automatically your report will be saved to that file. We also changed the fields for this report. Now we need to choose this save format file button to save this customized format. On choosing the save format file button, you can see this select component star.set format file dialog box is displayed, where you can save all the report formats. This is the default location for saving the customized format files for various reports. Here you can see already one DOM format file is saved. Now I will save the format file for schematic components. So I can write schematic underscore components as the name for the format file, and you can see the extension for this format file is .act. Now I will choose the save button. Like this, you can save customized file formats for various report categories using this dialog box. Now we will create format file for panel component report. For that, I will select this component category in this panel report area. Now here the panel component area is displayed. I need to specify which components you want to include. Suppose you want to include nameplates in this panel components, you can retain this checkbox selected. So I will keep it retained. Now I will select this include terminals also. I want to retain both these checkboxes clear. Also, I would like to retain this all radio button selected in both these installation codes to extract and location codes to extract area. Now I need to decide whether I want to put this kind of report in the drawing or I want to save it to file. Suppose I want to put this report on drawing. So now I will first choose this put on drawing button, and here if I want to make some changes in this table generation setup dialog box, I need to do that. Suppose I want to include time date. Suppose I want to include title line. Then if I want to have labels on first section only, I can select this checkbox. Like this you can make the changes. Now I will choose the OK button over here. Now if I want to change the report fields, I can choose this button, and here I can add or remove some of the fields from the default component report format. Suppose I want to include inst and LOC in the fields to report area. I can also add a family field. If I want to remove any of the field from the default component report for this particular format, I can select this. Now I have selected this query and I will choose the remove button to remove this one. This way I have changed the default fields for this panel component report. Now I will choose the OK button. Now I have specified all the settings for this customized format that we are creating for this panel component report. Now I need to save this format file for further use. So I will choose this save format file button, and you can see we have already created format file for schematic component report, and one BOM format file is also there. Now I will add panel components format file over here by writing the name. So this is the file name for this format file. Now I will choose the save button. This way we have created and saved two customized format files for schematic component report and panel component report. Now I can choose the done button over here. In the next video, we will use these format files for generating cumulative report. Even you can use these format files for generating individual schematic and panel component reports. So that's all in this video. Thanks for watching.